Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku, not in today's newspaper of Friday, November the 26th, 2021, because we have no additional in today's newspaper. Only two regular Sudokus, the Sudoku Light and the Heavy Sudoku. No, these puzzles are from last Friday, November the 19th, 2021. I've already solved this one a minute ago. So two puzzles are left. Sudoku with two stars and a tectonic. Yes. But first I will solve this baby. Number 3742. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, and for a two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. It's not always true that the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. Sometimes a puzzle with 25 or 24 printed digits is faster to solve than a 26, for example. It could be if it's a hard one with a lot of pairs and hidden numbers. Yeah, then you need a lot of time to figure it out. Alright, so let's get started with this puzzle. And I see here only two missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here in this big square, so no 6 in this box. The 6 goes in that box and the 7 goes in this box. That box. Alright. Then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these two boxes. Here 6, no 6 in that box. So one box left for the 6. Should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So one box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. One box left in this big square for the number 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in this box. Here 9, no 9 in that box. So one box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Okay. Then 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So on that row, the only two places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Okay. Interesting. Yeah. How about the 4 in the third row? The 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, the first column. So no 4 in this box. The only place for the 4 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. Need to wait. Wait. Complicated. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing, 8 and the 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 279. Well, we have a 9 here in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here, 9 in this column, so no 9 in that box. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 2. Alright. Okay. Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. And we have a pair, 2 and a 5 in this row. 2 and a 5 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places for the left. For the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So no 5 in this box. The 5 should be here and the 2 goes here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, so 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. Alright. Okay. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright, now I can continue with the 1. How about the number? The number. Let me see. Okay. 8. Interesting. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So that column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third row. 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. How about this box? In the second row, 1 box left for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the not the second column. In this column, those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. Only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Number 2? Yeah. How about the number 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3. Oh, 1 box left in the third row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Same like here in this row. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 6. Alright. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then 1 number left in this column. Wait. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Now only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 6. Alright. 1 number left in this column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see then 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the middle big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. Finishing 15 minutes. Told you. 15 to 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars Sudoku to solve. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. A tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.